Welcome to Get. Follow these simple steps to book your ride through the Get app. First, make sure you've downloaded the Get app and connected your account. Then launch the Get app. Based on your current location, the app will suggest a smart pickup address. Click on the pencil icon under the current location to change the pickup address. Click the Where To and enter your destination address. You can also choose from a list of smart suggestions and favorite addresses. On the screen, you'll see the route details and the predicted journey. Click on Private to switch accounts and Business to switch back. Make sure Business Ride is selected to use your corporate account, otherwise your private account will be used. Choose the best vehicle for the trip. The available options will comply with your travel policy. Do you need to inform the driver about specific requirements or important details for the ride? Add them in the Message to Driver field. You can also add the reason for travel, type it in or choose one from the list. Your business might also request additional information. Simply fill in all the fields displayed here. Finally, select Order Now to request an on-demand ride, or choose Schedule and choose Pre-book for a different time. We hope you enjoy your ride and have a wonderful day.